Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Reclaim AI for calendar scheduling with Google Calendar. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Reclaim AI for calendar scheduling with Google Calendar, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Reclaim AI website. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. After logging in, locate the option to connect your Google Calendar. Click on the Google Calendar integration button. A prompt will appear, asking for permission to access your Google Calendar. Review the permissions and click Allow to grant access. Once connected, Reclaim AI will begin syncing with your Google Calendar. Next, set your preferences for how you want Reclaim AI to manage your scheduled tasks. You can customize settings for work sessions, breaks, and personal time. After customizing your preferences, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Now, head back to your Google Calendar to see the integration in action. Reclaim AI will automatically schedule your tasks based on your defined preferences. You can view your scheduled sessions directly in Google Calendar. If you want to make adjustments, return to the Reclaim AI dashboard. Here, you can modify your settings at any time. Now, you are ready to efficiently manage your calendar using Reclaim AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.